Alright, let's see how many times we gotta randomize it. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. 7. Wow, I'm rolling 7 all night. 7. Good luck, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Here we go. Ryan, you got the top first 2 packs. Then with Brandon and Brad. All right, here we go. Let me get these out of the way for you and put them up on the screen. This was for the 1979, right? Track pack. Okay. And this was the 1998 Bowman Chrome. '24. There it is. Alright guys, so you can match it. You got Ryan, Brandon, Chris. Ryan, Brandon, Chris. Top, bottom 4, Stephen Burnett, James Wagner. Everything's matching up. So let me turn off the random. We're going to start off with Ryan.
24 packs.
Here we
go. Guys, good luck looking for that Peyton Manning gold refractor rookie.
There's nothing like a supportive partner, guys. That is real right there. I put on the magic gloves. Alright.
And John, remember to mention everyone about the PSA program we just started.
Yeah, so guys, we started a new PSA program where if you Lane, will you look at the cards first and tell them?
Yeah, no, I'm happy to help them.
Okay. Yeah, so Lane will help you out. Take a look at the cards, see if it's worth sending to PSA. I believe everybody has Layton's email at this point, but just in case, let me just type it in the.
Or they can hit me up on Twitter, John.
Yep.
Remember, Dave put on my Twitter handle. Can you check it out? It's right across from you.
I got you right here. You can also hit him up on Twitter. It is at Layton Sheldon. That's his Twitter tag right there. His handle. Okay, so how many packs? 24?
24.
8, 16, 24. Let's do 1 to 8. 1916. And then 17 to 24. Good?
Yep.
These are going here, right?
Yep.
Okay. Alright guys, hope you can see that. Starting from the left, that's 1 to 8, 9 to 16, 17 to 24.
Bow Hunter's $9 to send in the card plus shipping.
Alright, how much is it? Let me just write it down. Wait.
Yep.
Okay, go ahead. What is it?
$9 a card plus shipping.
$9 per card.
Plus exact shipping, and that I won't know until after.
Plus exact shipping. There you go.
So John, in that box, you're looking for Peyton Manning and Randy Moss rookies, Bowman Chrome Refractors, Anniversary Refractors.
All kind of refractors. Gotcha. Alright, first pack. Here we go. Going out to Ryan. Ryan Manning, first 2 are yours. Good luck, everybody. Ah, Lundy.
I assure you, Lundy, I'm not in the can. I'm next door to my computer.
Alright, here we go. Wow, these are sharp and shiny.
I got better stuff to do in the can.
Alright guys, we're looking for obviously refractors and inserts and all kinds of rookies, but we're just showing the base cards. Jay Plummer, Takeo Spikes. Alright, so that one's going out to Ryan. Wow, 4 cards only. Second pack. Nah, Jason, I don't want to, man. These are really shiny. I don't want to put my fingerprints on these. It's okay. They're a little bit stuck together, but not too bad. Yeah, that's not bad at all. All right, Herman Moore.
Hey, I just wanted to give a shout out to my buddy Mike from Nutley. I hope you and your son are watching and enjoying. Just made you a moderator.
Simeon Rice, Troy, and Kevin Smith. Cowboys. Go Cowboys. There you go.
John, tell him I said what's up. I'm sure you can hear me.
Yep, he's always here. He can hear.
All right.
Pack number 3, going to Brandon.
Oh, his buddy Brad's on. Okay, cool. Hey, Marty, tell Marty where we're looking.
Marty.
Marty wants to know where we're located.
Oh, okay. We're in Central New Jersey, Marty. Oh, he got on Breakers?
Yeah, it was working for him earlier. Then he went to YouTube when it wasn't working.
Oh, okay, cool. Good job, Marty. Glad you can make it to Breakers. All right, this is going to pack 3.
Perfect.
This is going to Brandon. You got Urban Fryer. Making sure there's only one card in there. Keith Brooken, James Judd, and Derek Brooks. So as you can see there. Okay, nothing special there. Next pack. Chris Yee. Good luck. I'll leave that crime scene spotless, Lindsay. You know this. There you go. Alright. First card. Curtis Martin. Curtis. Jets fan over there. Ricky Waters. Sean Jefferson. And Jeff Blake. Nothing special on that one. At least to me. Next pack, 5. Jason, JJ, you're up, buddy. Good luck. Let me just separate these first. All right, first card. Chad Brown, Byron Hapsford. Hey, T.O. And Jacquees Green. Now, I don't know if that's his rookie. Probably not. But T.O. should be in the Hall of Fame, I think. Just based on numbers. I mean, he did play for the Cowboys, so I'm a fan when he was playing for them. But I know he got an attitude problem. But numbers don't lie. I'm just saying. He got a lot of good numbers. Pack number 6. Joseph. Going out to you. First card, Fred Lane. That's my quarterback. Martin Harrison, Marvin, Carl Pickens, and Cordell Stewart. So shiny. Woo. Sharp. Next pack. Going out to Jordan. Alright, let me break these up real quick. Alright, this one, what pack is this? 8? 7? 7?
7.
Yeah, Jordan. You got Terry Allen, Frank Sanders, Tiki Barber, and Ben Coates. I'm assuming these are all base cards. And the 8th pack going to Stephen Burnett, Denver. Is he in here? I don't think he's there just tonight. Alright, let's get him his cards. Warwick Dunn, Anthony Simmons, James Stewart, Darren Woodson, my man. Highlight that guy right there. Woo! Alright, that's 8 packs, guys. 8 down. Let's go to pack number 9. Going out to Brandon. Let's go, Manning. It's just sticking. One. Come on, one more. There we go. This what pack? 9. Brandon, Kevin Smith, Brian Greasy, Curtis Ennis, and Patrick Johnson. Pack 10 going out to Chris Yee. Tavian Banks, Jacquees Green, Hines Ward. That's not his rookie yet.
That's Hines Ward rookie.
Is it?
Yeah.
Hines Ward rookie. And then Brian Simmons. I'll put that in a sleeve because he is a great player. Hines Ward. Okay, that was pack 10.
Yep.
That was going out to Chris Yee. Pack 11. Jordan, you're up. Come on, baby. There we go. First one. Robert Holcomb, Keyshawn Johnson, Ahmad Green, and Marvin Jones. Is this his rookie? 1996. No, not a rookie. Nothing special there. This is pack 12. Stephen Daly. Going out to you. Come on, Peyton. Come on, Peyton. All right. This is pack 12. This is going to Stephen Daly. I'm not sure if you're on, but here we go. Grant Wistrom. I see a refractor. Fred Taylor. Oh, Jerry Rice. And the refractor is nice. Andre Rison. It's definitely a refractor. Let me put down a penny sleeve. Jerry Rice, Andre Rison refractor. There you go. That was pack 12.
Yep.
All right. Alan Naylor, you're up. All right, Alan. Hope you get the painting. Here we go.
There's one, but not the right one.
All right, Alan, first card up. You ready? Jerome Pathan, Jermaine Crowell, Joe Vicious. I remember him. And Tavian Banks. Joe Vicious. All right, pack 15. Going on. I'm sorry. What pack is this? 13?
14.
14. This is Jason. All right, Jason. JJ, let's go. Interstate card? Was that interstate card? Probably was.
Which one?
On the back. This last card? Yeah.
Yep.
Yep, it was. Lanzilla, it was. Interstate card. I'm just trying to get the cards to fit. There we go. Okay. All right, Jason. Wayne Corbett, Glenn Foley, 2 Jets in a row. Robert Edwards, I see a refractor. Ken Harvey. Definitely refractor because it's nice and shiny with a little holographic look. All right, putting that in a sleeve. Jason, this one out to you. All right, pack 15. Brad, you're up. Aeneas, I forgot how to say his name. Aeneas Williams. Oh, Emmett. Oh man, I gotta see Emmett. There you go. I gotta show him off. Marcus Nash and Craig Ellis. Oh, another Cowboy. Awesome. There's a Cowboys pack right here, boys. That was pack 15.
Yeah.
I was going out to Brad. Chris, you're up. First card, Will Marchimura, Eddie George, and Jason Peter. All right, 16 down. 17 to 24. Brandon, you're up. Oh wow, this one's really tight. There we go. Okay. All right, this is 17. This is going to Brandon. Rod Smith, Michael Westbrook, Ken Harvey, and Ryan Leaf. You know you won that guy. Look at him. Yeah. What are you talking about, Papa J? There's no bust there. He's a Hall of Famer, future Hall of Famer. Alright, this is pack 18?
18.
Yeah, it's going to Ryan. Ryan Manning. Maybe you get Peyton Manning. Let's see, let's find out. Alright, hey, John Elway, right off the bat. Oh, hey, Mr. Peyton. Unfortunately, it looks like it's just a base card, but still.
That's not unfortunate. It's his rookie.
I thought we were looking for his like chrome autograph.
We're looking for all of them, John. Still his rookie.
All right, hey, see, got it. Is this 18?
Yeah, make sure
18.
you sleeve that and put it on
Yep.
top of it.
Ryan Manning. Good job. I don't know if he's on here.
Excuse me?
I don't think Ryan Manning's on the thing, but congratulations.
Oh, it looks nice.
So, top loader? Yeah, top loader?
Pack 18.
Yeah. There you go. Get a closer look so you can see the centering. Here's the back. Looks legit. Oh, he is out. Oh, Bull Hunter. There you are. Yeah, that was pack 18. Did somebody call that? So, first card was John Elway as well. Second card was Dwayne Starks and a refractor of Chris Spielman. It's a nice pack. I'll put that in the sleeve. Cool. That was pack 18. 19. Stephen Daly. Alright. Come on. First card, Jeff George. Nice. Darrell Lewis and Chris Dishman. There you go. Pack 20. Chris E., you're up. Any autographs? Oh, shoot.
So I mentioned that. So that's going to be a $200 bonus, John. I only have one available. It's a 2002 Top Series 2 on open box. Look for a Joe Mauer rookie. There's a bunch of different autographs in there and inserts, factory sealed from Topps. First person to spend $200 will get whatever bonuses are applicable, for the rolls. And also keep in mind that anything that's $15 or higher, the next one that sells out, you get a $50 credit to someone in that box. But whoever spends the first 200 will get that box, in addition to everything else.
It's 9:40 p.m. right now. So, guys, next person who spent $200 will get this Topps 2002 Top Series Major League Box.
Series 2.
Series 2. Autographed cards with the 52 World Series heroes. You got relic cards, coaches collection, Topps autograph, and signing insert cards. All right, there you go. I'm gonna put this over here. This was pack
Pack
20. This is Chrissy. All right, you got Darryl Green, Ricky Dudley, Rob Johnson, and Hardy Nickerson. Steven, you're up. Steven Burnett. First card, Jason Sehorn. Tony Simmons, Tim Dwight, and an interstate card, Patrick Johnson. There we go. What up, JMO? Yes, we are. We're definitely gonna break that tonight. If you sell it out, we definitely will. We also have a $200 spending bonus on my left hand side over here. Once I put this down. First person to spend $200 gets a 2002 Top Series 2 factory sealed box, baseball box. $200. This is pack.
Thank you.
22. Jason, JJ, where you at? You're up. First card, Warren Sapp. Big boy. Ray Caruth, Andre Reed, and Kevin Dyson. It's a nice picture. Okay. 23. Last two, guys. Last two. Come on, baby. I'm being gentle with you. There you go. First card, Urban Fryer. Brandon, you're up. Urban Fryer. Brett Favre. Nice. Nice pull. John Avery. And Skip Nix. Hope you're a Packers fan. There you go. Last pack going to Brad. Good luck. See what we have. First card, Robert Smith. I remember him. Andre Wadsworth, Dwayne Starks, and Brian Simmons. Alright guys, so we pulled one rookie, a Peyton Manning rookie card, and a Hines Ward rookie card. There you go. So that's it for that box. Thank you again to everybody.
Don't forget, I did the random.